Don't forget to like and subscribe, and enjoy the video. Hello Facebook friends. I wanted to give you an inside scoop on my latest project. Here it is. What we have here, or what I should say is what we have left, is a 2001 KTM 380SX. It's the last of the big bore two-strokes. It's pretty massive. It's great because unlike the 500s and some of the bigger old two-stroke bikes, there are power valves, which I think works a lot better. It also has an adjustable power valve, which is great for slow guys like me. So far, I've sandblasted and clear coated my side covers here. I've did the same thing with the foot pegs. Put the aluminum bits in my ultrasonic cleaner. Got those cleaned up. Got all my plastic bits cleaned and my hardware cleaned. I actually put the entire brake system in the ultrasonic cleaner, and it turned out really, really good as well. It looks new. So that's exciting. I've done the whole back half of the bike. The whole swing arm I cleaned with acid, polished up. Not to a mirror finish, but just sort of how it was. It's amazing, check that out. Dang, looks like it's brand new. The bike came with a whole bunch of extra bits, including this new chain guide. I'm gonna do a new chain and sprockets. Same thing on this side, I redid the foot peg, cleaned up the shift lever, which is the original one. Redid some of the covers here just to match and look nice and new. Cleaned up all my axle parts and blocks, adjusters. The brakes and all that are just so clean. It all came out so nice. So the rest of the week I'll start clean up the radiators, the triple clamps, the bars. So far all the bearings and bushings have been in great condition. I have my suspension over at Obermeyer Yamaha, Honda, Suzuki in Jasper, Indiana, and I'll be taking my wheels and tires there to get new tubes and tires put on. So we're making progress on the old classic 380 two-stroke, the last of the big bore two-strokes. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the video. More dirt bike stuff coming soon.